Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to one of Arrelic Reliability online training. The title of this workshop is Planning and Scheduling for Effective Maintenance. I'm your host. My name is Hussein Al-Ali. Greetings to you all. I have had the pleasure of working in the industry for a long time. Spent a lot of my years, 37 years, in the aluminum industry, covering a wide range of activities and responsibilities in metal production, maintenance, engineering, warehouse, procurement, recruitment, training and development, as well as executive management. Played key roles in overseeing Aluminum Bahrain, company that I spent most of my years in, ALBA, grow from a capacity of 120,000 metric ton per annum to one of the largest aluminum smelters in the world, with a capacity in excess of 900,000 tons by the time I left the organization in 2009. Since then, I joined an American company called SAMI, Strategic Asset Management Incorporation, and I was a member of the team who implemented the highly acclaimed and successful East project at Sharq Petrochemical Company in Jubail, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, for the implementation of their asset management work process, AMWP. After that, I implemented as a sole consultant the AMWP program at Advanced Petrochemical Company in Jubail, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. In terms of my education, I graduated with a degree in mechanical engineering from Trent Polytechnic, Nottingham, UK in 1979. I have been the chairman of the Education and Certification Committee of GSMR since 2010. I'm a certified maintenance and reliability professional, CMRP, as well as CAMA, holder of CAMA, Certified Asset Management Auditor. And it is my pleasure to be with you to go through this workshop. The agenda: why industry need to focus on planning and scheduling. We'll talk about work management process, which includes work identification, work prioritization, planning, scheduling, managing backlog, managing materials, work execution, managing data accuracy, KPIs. We'll talk about the planning window, and we'll end up with a conclusion about the benefit of such a best-in-class work maintenance process when implemented in a company.